Hey everyone, so in today's video I am going to show you how to leave a guild in solo leveling Arise. So first of all, to leave a guild in solo leveling Arise, you have to access the guild menu. So for that, tap the guild icon on your main screen to enter the guild lobby, and then open guild information in the guild lobby. Locate and tap on the NPC with pink hair, often named Jian. Select guild information from the option presented, choose guild information, and then at the bottom left of the guild information screen you will find the leave guild button. Tap it and exit your current guild. So let me give you some important notes. So after leaving a guild you must wait 24 hours before joining another guild, and if you have participated in a guild boss raid during the current week, you won't be able to join another guild until the next weekly reset. And last of all, leaving a guild does not cause you to lose any guild coins you have accumulated. So if you are looking for a more active guild, consider waiting until the weekly reset to maximize your participation and rewards. So that's it for today. See you on the next one.